Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a full review of Straight Talk, including the pros and cons. We'll go over everything Straight Talk Wireless. Now, first of all, we'll go start with the wireless side. It's definitely a mixed bag, okay? The pros are clear, it is affordable, the price point is fantastic, it runs on major networks, means that coverage is generally solid in most places. The no contracts thing, that's a huge plus for flexibility. However, the cons, they can be frustrating. You would definitely experience data throttling during peak times. That's what they do. And customer service, it can also be a real headache. You get long waits, sometimes even get inconsistent, information. There's also no family plans as well. So you have to keep all of this in mind while you're making your decision. But I would say overall, look, if you're budget conscious and you can tolerate occasional customer service, issues and data deprioritization, I think it offers good value, especially for mobile data. I know it's not perfect, but it gets the job done for that price. So I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.